Find a comfortable position, sit or lie down. Let your body be completely supported. Gently close your eyes. Place both your hands over your heart. Feel the warmth of your own hands. Feel your heart beating beneath them. This heart has carried you through everything, every hard day, every loss, every moment of doubt. Take a deep breath in and gently breathe out. Take a slow breath in and breathe love into your heart. Breathe out, releasing anything that is not love. Another breath in with all the energy inside you, and breathe out while you feel relaxed. One more time, breathe love into your heart and breathe out, releasing anything that is not love. Let go of anything that does not serve you any good. Place your hands in your lap with your palms facing upward. Now scan your body slowly, not looking for what is wrong, but meeting every part of yourself with kindness. Your mind that has worried so much, tried so hard, thank it. Feel thankful to your mind. Show gratitude to your mind. Honor your heart that has loved and loved again. Appreciate your body that has carried you without being asked. Every part of you seen, accepted, loved, exactly as you are right now in this moment. Now I want you to take somewhere very safe. Imagine a beautiful and peaceful place. It could be a garden, a meadow, a room filled with soft golden light. Wherever you feel safe and warm. You are there now. Feel the peace of this place around you. And now, in the distance, you see a small child walking towards you. Oh, it is you only. your younger version, before the world told you that you were too much or not enough, before the hurt, before the doubt. This child walks up to you and looks up at you with open, trusting eyes. Kneel down, open your arms, and hold this child close to you. Feel them relax into you. They have been waiting for this. They have been waiting for you. Whisper and say, I have got you. I love you. You are safe now. Hold them for as long as you need. Now, place your hand on their heart and send them every ounce of love you have. Watch as golden light flows from your heart into theirs. They smile, they are healed, and so you are. Take another deep breath in and gently breathe out. Bring your awareness back to your hands. Bring your awareness and receive these words as truth. Say silently, I am worthy of love, especially my own. I forgive myself for the times I was unkind to myself. I am enough. I have always been enough. I choose to love myself fully, gently, and without any condition. I am at my own safe place. Feel the warmth on your heart. Take a deep breath in and gently breathe out. Slowly bring your awareness back to this room. Feel the surface beneath you. Gently move your fingers and your toes. Another deep breath in and breathe out. When you are ready, with a big, beautiful smile, gently open your eyes. You just did something extraordinarily brave. You showed up for yourself. You loved yourself. Carry this feeling with you today. And on the days when you forget, come back here. I will remind you that you are loved, you are enough. Thank you.